If you think your job is safe in 2026, you're probably wrong. AI is about to destroy some careers in America quietly, fast, and permanently. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you 5 jobs that are getting crushed, 5 skills that can make you unstoppable, and a simple roadmap you can start today.
Let's be honest, AI doesn't care if you're ready or not. It's already replacing people who do repetitive work, and most people won't even see it coming.
Job number 1. Data entry. If your work is copy-paste, forms, spreadsheets, or simple records, AI can do it faster, cheaper, and non-stop. This job won't disappear overnight, but the salaries will collapse. Job number 2. Call center support. AI voice bots and chatbots can handle thousands of customers at once. If your job is reading scripted replies, AI is coming for it. Job number 3. Basic graphic design. Simple posters, flyers, quotes, basic thumbnails. AI tools can generate them in minutes. If you want to survive, you need branding, strategy, and taste, not just templates. Job number 4. Generic content writing. Basic blogs, basic captions, basic articles. AI can produce them instantly. The writers who survive will be the ones with research skills, storytelling, and real opinions. Job number 5. Basic accounting and bookkeeping. AI can scan receipts, detect errors, and generate reports. Accounting won't die, but low-skill accounting jobs will disappear. Now the good news. AI is not just a threat, it's also the biggest opportunity you'll ever see if you move fast. Skill number 1. AI video editing and content repurposing. The person who can turn one long video into 10 shorts will dominate the internet. This is one of the highest demand skills right now. Skill number 3. Marketing. AI can create content, but it cannot replace real strategy. If you understand attention, offers, and sales, you'll always win. Skill number 4. UI, UX, and product design. Apps and software are growing fast, and Pakistan is catching up. If you learn product thinking, you can work with global clients. Skill number 5. Real-world skills. AI cannot replace physical work easily, but it can help you learn faster, diagnose faster, and earn more. Here's a simple 30-day plan. Week 1. Learn AI basics and practice daily. Week 2. Learn Canva, CapCut, and basic editing. Week 3. Choose one skill and build a portfolio. Week 4. Post daily content and improve based on feedback. No excuses, just execution. AI will either upgrade your life or replace you. The difference is one decision. Do you start now or do you keep delaying? If you want a full 30-day content plan and the exact tools to start, comment, plan, and subscribe. Next video, I'll give you the complete step-by-step toolkit.